Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix there are no shipping option available. Please ensure that your address has been entered correctly or contact us if you need any help in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page. In shipping section, we see this error or message. So we are going to fix it. So this message appeared because we have no shipping method. Without shipping method, our order will not place. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings. So click on it. So we are going to create shipping method. So after that our issue will be fixed. Now back to WooCommerce setting. So we are in setting and then you see shipping tab. So click on it. So we are in shipping tab and then you see shipping zone. So we have no zone name. We have no shipping zone. So we are going to create it. And then you see add zone. So click on it. And then you see zone name, zone region, shipping method. So we are going to add zone name. So you can add zone name anyone according to requirement. So we are going to add worldwide and then you see zone region. Now select. So you can select all countries or if you want you can select specific country. So it's up to you. And then you see shipping method, title, enable description and then you see button add shipping method. So click on it. Now you see create shipping method. So you can select any. So we are going to select free shipping and then click on continue. And then you see set up free shipping name, free shipping. So you can edit it. And then you see free shipping required. So we select no requirement and then click on create and save. Now our shipping method is created. Now go to checkout page again and refresh the page. Now you see our issue is fixed. So we create shipping zone, shipping method and then you see free shipping. So after that our order will place easily without any issue in WooCommerce WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.